My home has beautiful eyes, the cutest nose, the prettiest smile. My home, like starry nights, is short in height and sometimes bites. My home has got a couple windows to my soul. My home somehow makes me feel so whole. My home feels like gold. My home will ever be a place. My home has the most beautiful face. My home, you're my home. You're the one who makes me feel like a child. You're the one who always makes me smile. My home, you're my home. I won't let you go.
Nung magkaklase kami, naging magka-grupo kami nun sa mga groupings sa subject. Tapos parang nagkakalokohan kasi nga, yung kaklase namin, may contact kami both. Tapos parang nagkakayaan mag-inuman. Kasi nga siya yung iwan sa amin, so parang treat niya kami ng inuman one night, gano'n. Inuman lang din kami. Tapos parang naging regular yung inuman namin ng magkakaibigan.
All the wandering's gone when it's where you belong. 'Cause nothing good gets away.
Actually, nung nag-aaral kasi kami, bawal ako mag-boyfriend. So, sinabi ko sa kanya na bawal ako mag-boyfriend, so bawal siyang manligaw, ganyan. Pero, yun, lagi niya kasi sinasabi na hayaan ko siyang gawin yung way niya. Kasi siya naman yan, so kung in the end magkatuluyan kami, edi okay. Kapag hindi, siya na yun, sa kanya na yun. Parang lost niya na yun.
The rise, each and every fall.
Ang isinasaad nga po sa Biblia sa Genesis 2 verse 18. Then the Lord God said, "It is not good for a man to be alone. I'll make him a helper suitable for him." Christine, hindi ka raw dapat nag-iisa sa mundo, kaya't binigay sa iyo si Daryl James upang iyong makasama.
Sana payagan mo pa rin ako. Hindi ko pa nalilibot yung buong Pilipinas na nakamotor.
Papayagan pa rin naman kita mag-rides, basta safe ka lang lagi. And then, yeah. Let's live happily ever after.
Love you through it all. The rise, each and every fall. Let the storms come as they may.
Marriage is a lifetime commitment. Madali pong pasukin, hindi ganun kadaling lumabas. Nadali niyo po ito habang panahon. Kaya't sana po, nasa harap ko kayo ngayon, hindi lang dahil magkakaanak na kayo. Hindi lang dahil kailangan niyo ang isa't isa, dapat po mahal niyo talaga ang isa't isa.
And when all of our years start to fade, and we're looking back on all of our days, let the lines on our face tell the memories we made. 'Cause nothing good gets away. I will love you through it all. The rise, each and every fall.
Sana mag-improve ka pa at mag-mature. Kasi we'll be starting our own family.
Pag may nakala sa gender reveal, ang gusto kong motor yung kukunin natin.
Each and every fall. Let the storms come as they may. But our love will break through the day. Because day.